children, today let's start with chapter number 9, graphics in QB6 group. So let's study about QBasic. It is used to draw figures and diagrams. You can draw different shape like line, square, circle, and you can also fill in different colors in these shapes. आप different color भी fill कर सकते हो. The computer screen is made up of hundreds of picture elements called pixel. The number of pixel is horizontally and vertically determined. आप इनको vertically भी determine कर सकते हो और horizontally. So what are graphics? So it is very easy to draw and display different graphics on the screen. So let us understand about the two common modes of display, text mode and graphic mode. Text modes whenever you want to write the program and get recorded into. Graphics when you want drawing figure. Right? The screen of the computer usually works on two modes, medium resolution, high resolution. Medium means 320 by 200 pixel and high means 640 by 200, right? This is high resolution. Now, screen statement. Let's study about the screen statement. It is used for specifying screen resolution. Many screen modes can be used in QBasic and QBasic 4. Each mode has specific resolution. The table given below shows the differently. Screen 1, 320 into 200, number of color support 4. Screen 2, 640 into 200, 2 support है. Screen 7, 320 to 200, 16. Screen 8, 640, 200, 16. Screen 9, that is 16. Screen 10, 2. Screen 11, 2. Screen 12, 16. And screen 30, that is 256. So you can change the screen mode in higher resolution in two ways. Using the same screen modes as in QBasic or making use of new image statement. Right? The screen mode can be defined with the use of predefined screen by applying screen new image. Like screen new image, here 640 and 480 are the screen width and height respectively. And 7 is the field height. Right? Curve statement, it is not possible to select graphic icon color by their names. So the exact color number has to be specified. For selecting a color, this statement sets appearing screen color for displaying text and graphs. So syntax color parameter, for color parameter, so here parameter F refers to foreground color and parameter B refers to background. There are 16 color option. आपको यहाँ पे 16 color option मिलेंगे background के और foreground के. Black, can, brown, light blue, light white, blue, red, grey, different option will be available. So using draw command. So a draw command draws a straight line in any direction on the screen. You can draw a pointer in the middle of the screen. This line is drawn as a direction. With the use of specified character, letter D means line is drawn in downward direction. U means upward direction. R means right and L means left. Right? Now drawing lines diagonally. So there are 4 types of diagonal statement जिनको हम use करते हैं for drawing lines in different direction diagonally. These statement are E. Allows the pointer to draw a line diagonally in upward and towards the right side. Draw a line diagonally in the downward F. G means draw a line in downward direction from left side. H आपको upward direction में from left side. So here example is given CLS screen 2, color 4 or 6, draw F100 and seal like this is given. Now using pset command. What is pset? Point set. So it is used to set the center of the screen. On other hand, petset allowed to set the pixel. कि क्या pixel value वो भी वो set करता है. So syntax है pset xy where x refers to columns and y refers to rows. So usually the graphic screen of the computer contains 320 columns and 200 rows. Look at the figure to understand the location of column and rows on the screen graphically. So CLS screen 7, color 350. Pset 150, 60, 4, draw, pset, draw, then add, right? Then we have line statement. Let's study about the line statement. It helps us to draw a straight line between 2 points on the screen. We should select the screen which is made by support of all 16 terms. Like program to create an isosceles triangle has a horizontal base. Screen 7, color 10 to 5, print it is an isosceles triangle और वो अपने हिसाब से क्या करेगा उसको print कर देगा. Then circle statement. For circle statement, it is used to draw a circle, ellipse or an arc. The coordinate x and y refers to the center of the circle, r refers to radius and p refers to column. Screen 7, 14, 5, CLS, printer circle, 160, 100, 50, 50, and end. Now, paint statement, for paint statement, it is used for filling an object. जब आपको किसी object को color से fill करना. So, example is given CLS, screen 7, color 3, circle 100, 100, paint 100, 100, color 5, circle 201, 150, paint 201 and 100, and new image screen. It is used for creating new screen size with higher resolution. The following two examples shows different in the use of new image screen statement in QBasic 4 and screen statement in QBasic. Like this, an option is given to you, right? Like screen statement in QBasic और QB4. देखो difference देखना है, यहाँ पे screen 7 है, यहाँ पे screen new image 640. This difference you can see in the output, but screen size is different. आप देख सकते हैं जो output है वो तो same है, लेकिन जो screen का size है वो आपका अलग है. Right? Now this is all about in this chapter. Now let's move to the exercise. Pick the correct option. We cannot create a graphic in dash mode. Screen 0. There are dash color option for foreground and background color 16. The dash commands draw a straight line in any direction of the screen. ये straight line draw करता है, that is draw option. Dash command is used to set up pixel at a particular location on the screen. That is your preset. Next, let's do the fill in the blanks. The dash command is used to set the pixel of any particular location on the screen. That is preset. The dash statement helps to draw a straight line between 2 points on the screen. That is line. A dash are used to draw lines, patterns, figures of various shape. Draw. Except all the screen modes can be used to create graphics. Now write T for true and F for there are two common modes, text mode and graphic modes. It's true. Graphic mode is used to write programs. False. कौन सा मोड हम यूज करता है? टेक्स्ट मोड. कलर स्टेटमेंट इज यूज्ड फॉर filling an object with the color of your choice. It's true. New image screen statement, it is used for creating new screen size with higher resolution. It's true. Next is answer the following question. What is the purpose of screen statement? Screen statement का purpose क्या है? What do you use draw statement? ठीक है? How do you, why do you use the circle statement? आप circle statement का क्यों use करते हो? What are the 4 types of diagonal statements? And explain the use of. आपको new image screen जो है आपकी QBasic 4 में उसको आपको explain कर. Right? This is all about in this chapter. Hope you understood. Now let's meet in the next class. Thank you.